Alright guys, we all know that Air Jordan 4 is one of the iconic design of Jordan brands, which I've always been a fan of ever since I started gaining interest in sneakers. And today we have the Air Jordan 4 Sashiko Deep Ocean. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing Sashiko correctly, so I apologize for that. But anyway, if you are wondering what it means, the Wikipedia says it is a type of traditional Japanese embroidery or stitching used for decorative and functional reinforcement of clothes and clothing. Also, I read online that this shoes features prints and textures which is inspired by Japanese craftwork and design. The retail price of these shoes is £190 and on resale is going for 200 to 240 plus. This shoes was released on 5th of December, but I only managed to get it before yesterday on 16th of December when the Offspring dropped in, and I managed to get size UK 8.5. Even though it's not my size, I bought it anyway because I thought of doing a review on this and then do a giveaway after that. So if you guys get me 1k subscribe on this channel in 1 week after uploading this video, then I'll give these shoes to one of the random subscriber. So subscribe, tell your friend, your family to subscribe as well. Yeah, so enough talk, let's open this bad boy. Actually I've already opened it because my friend wanted to look at it, but I put it back exactly the way it was so you guys can see how it is in the box. So let's open it. Here as you can see the box is like printed and in the same colorway as the shoes. Yeah, things, and then on the top is just normal Jordans. This shoes has like amazing colorways and patterns, and design is so good. And the difference I notice is that obviously here the color, this one has red, this one is a bit different. So obviously there's the sole is in 2 different colors, and yeah. This color, one is like red, this one's like blue, dark blue, this one is a bit red, this is dark blue, and I also noticed that this one has a dark blue and this white, but this base like a bit inside out of this one. So this one is white here, but this one has a dark blue here. So the back looks like this. One of these has like this. Overall I would rate this shoes like 7 out of 10. This is really good shoes. I really love this. It's like very fashionable, I would say. Yeah, it's really good. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. So as I already said earlier, that I'm doing a giveaway on this, so subscribe, tell your friend, your family to subscribe and get me 10k in 1 week after uploading this video, and I'll give these shoes to one of the random subscriber. So subscribe, and thank you for watching. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye bye.